So this is Macele and Musamselegu back in the day before the other wives came and joined the family, and they were talking about their future and they were planning their future before there was Isthembu. And this is how their conversation went. Yazi babakhe, I have a dilemma here. Nako-ke unkosikazi nesingisi. Macele, how many times must I tell you? How many times must I tell you? Stop speaking English in my house. Babakhe, awume kancane. I have a dilemma here. When have you ever heard of a word dilemma in Zulu? I have a dilemma here. So it's like, khuluma kade ngangisho ukuthi abafazi badonyelwa amakhanda. I-dilemma yani-ke leyo. Babakhe, mina yazi babakhe, and back then phela they were living eMzumbe. Babakhe, my dilemma is mina I don't want to live here in Mzumbe. Mina I want to live in the suburbs. It's my dream. Mina babakhe, I want to live in the suburbs. Mina babakhe, I want to live in the suburbs. And also I don't want to live in the one suburbs, suburb, like one suburb, I want to live in one suburb. After like 15 years, move to another better suburb. 15 years, I want to move to another better suburb. That is my life I dreamt of as a young girl. That is my dream. Another thing, babakhe, I want to drive a nice car, but I also want to have my nice car, but in my yard, I want to have different nice cars in my yard. Lapho-ke babakhe is shaking his head. Hey, lo mfazi lo, I want to have nice cars in my yard, Another thing, babakhe, is that I want to go on vacations when babakhe. And babakhe, in the future, I have heard ukuthi they are going to have waves. Babakhe is like, yini manje, waves. But babakhe, in the future, kuzoba ney'nwele that we are going to buy and wear. Babakhe. So I want to be able to do that when babakhe. And also, babakhe, I want to call people to go do my makeup and my nails. And I want to go for massages. Abantu bangibotoze. In short, nje babakhe, I want to live a nice life, And babakhe is like, manje nkosikazi, what's the problem? Ngoba, yes, we live here in Mzumbe, but me and you just have to work hard. Me and you just have to work hard. We will achieve that. I need you see me here with my computer working. I'm working for us to achieve that. You just have to be patient. Me and you, we are going to work hard. We are going to achieve that. And Macele is like, hey, that is where the dilemma is, Baba. That is where the dilemma is. The dilemma, babakhe, is that mina babakhe, I do not want to work. Mina babakhe, I do not want to work. Mina, I want to live a nice life. I want to live in the suburb, babawakhe. Mina, I want to travel. I want to go on vacations. I want to live a nice life. But I do not want to work. Babakhe is like, hey, yabona-ke, ngangishilo ngathi badonyelwa amakhanda labafazi. Ngangishilo ngathi badonyelwa amakhanda labafazi. And babakhe, I'm not finished. And when babakhe wathi, you want 20 kids, and it's babakhe, it's like, yeah, I feel I want 20 kids. We are very young. You are very young. You can't tell me what you are just going to have Lwandle and Abo, and that's it. I want 20 kids, And then my child is like, Mina babakhe, I want to not have many kids because I still want to be fresh enough to travel. I want to be fresh enough, just to live a nice life. So I cannot have 20 kids. So that is what the dilemma is. I want to live a nice life. I don't want to work. And I want you to have 20 kids, but I don't want to be the one to have 20 kids. So that is where the problem is. I don't want to work. I want you to work hard to give me the nice life, but I don't want to give you the 20 kids. I want you to get the 20 kids without me, but I want you to get me the nice life, babakhe. So that is where the trouble starts. Another thing, babakhe, is that whatever suburb I stay in, you must know that I don't want to stay in that suburb for more than 15 years. I want to stay in the suburb for 15 years, and then after that, I want to move to a new suburb. So while I live in whatever house I live in the suburb, you must save up to move me to a better suburb, babakhe. So I want to know, how are we going to solve this problem, babakhe? Babakhe is like, hey, yazi wena nkosikazi udonyelwa ikhanda. Do you understand that we live in SA? We live in SA, in South Africa. If this country, Macele, was not called SA, it will be called TI. It will be called TI. Macele is like, hi, babakhe. What is TI now? And Mseleko is like, TI means two income. Two income. Hi, Pella, guys. Pella, back in the day, Mseleko was very good with English. You know, he only has a problem now that Makwela is coming. He used to be very good with English back then. He said if this country was not called South Africa, it would be called two income country. Because this is a country where two people need to work for you to make a living. Have you seen Mandela, the President Mandela? Have you seen Winnie Mandela in Parliament? Have you seen Winnie Mandela? Is Winnie Mandela sitting at home relaxed? Is Winnie Mandela sitting at home relaxed? Have you seen Graça Marcel in Parliament? Have you seen Graça Marcel there in different countries waving her hand like this? Do you think Graça likes waving her hand like this in different countries? Do you think Graça likes going around shaking different presidents' hand, shaking a different president? No, it's because we live in TI country. Two income country. Even presidents' wives are working. When you want to sit here and not work? And Macele is like, yeah, babak. And don't forget the 20 kids. I'm not, I want you to give me what I want, but I don't want to give you what I want. I want a nice life being given to me, but I don't want you to give me the 20. I don't want to give you the 20 kids. And I want you to come up with the solution of how we solve this problem that we have. And uMusa Mseleko was like, hey, yes. Hayi kade ngangisho ukuthi amakhosikazi adunyelwa amakhanda. This is why I wanted to marry uMayeni. Uyabona? Futhi I'm going back to fetch uMayeni. This is why. And then this is when he was like, no man, I need Mayeni's number. This is why I wanted to marry Mayeni. Because had I married Mayeni, Mayeni would have had my 20 kids. This is why I wanted to marry Mayeni. I need Mayeni's number. Somebody needs to get me Mayeni's number. I'm going to take Mayeni as a second wife. Because this thing, now I've taken you as a wife. Now he was talking by himself now. He wasn't talking to Macele. Now this one, I've taken her as a wife. Now she's telling me she doesn't want 20 kids. All of a sudden, that's why I wanted to marry Umayeni. That's why I wanted to marry Umayeni. I need Mayeni's number. He was taking his phone now, looking for Mayeni's number. I blocked Mayeni. I need to look for Mayeni. Now, this is how Mseleko got back to Mayeni. Because he was like, this one now doesn't want to give me 20 kids. But that story I'll tell you another time. That one of how he got Mayeni's number and called Mayeni. We are back here in the suburbs and, the TI country. Now, he went and thought about a plan because he was like, what am I going to do? I need to come up with a plan now. Okay. So he comes back to Macele. Then he's like, Macele, we need to talk. He's like, what now, Babak? Have you come up with a solution? He's like, yeah, I think I have a solution. Okay, sit down. So Utin, get Babak. He's like, no, I have a solution. He's like, yeah, what's the solution? It's like, I'm thinking of taking his temp. And then Macele is like, uyabona ke babakhe. Uyabona wena vele ngiyakwazi vele you like the skirts. Now you want to use this as an excuse. It's like, no, let me cook. I told you Mseleko liked English back then. Yeah, he liked English back then. He's like, let me cook, He's like, hey, angazi ngoba you don't even like to touch the pot. You don't even know which pot is the curry pot, which pot is the rice pot in this house. Like, no, let me cook. In the podcast when they say, let me cook. Okay. It's like, let me cook. You don't want to work, right? Macele is like, yeah. You want nice life, Anget? He's like, yeah. I want 20 kids, Anget. Yes. You don't want to give me 20 kids. Like, yeah. So I have a solution. Like, Macele, okay, so shut up and let me cook. So Macele is like, okay. So yes, I have a solution. Okay. Let me take his temp. I was like, okay. I said, let me cook. So let me take his temp and you will get the life that you want and deserve. I promise you, if you let me take his temp, you are not going to work. You would live where you want to live in the suburbs and you will get everything that you want.